It is Saturday morning and I am making a quick video to give an update on Bitcoin, KuCoin, and Shiba Inu. I will be back later today to discuss the dollar, the US dollar index, because it looks like the dollar is getting devalued, and I will give another update on how DOMA has been performing since the last video. And I got a request to do Doge, so I will discuss those in a video later today. Starting things off with Bitcoin, we had a 12-hour candle close at 4 a.m. Los Angeles time that was below this orange line, and this is not what we wanted to see, but at the same time, when we switch over to the 6-hour chart, we see that Bitcoin has started to move to the upside. And if we zoom in to the 30-minute chart, we see that the Bitcoin price has been moving along the top of this orange line before we eventually started breaking to the upside. We had something similar over here, but ended up dropping down. So this is a good sign that we are starting to break to the upside. At the same time, we want to be cautious because when we went to the upside over here, we went up for 6 hours and we had a strong move back down for the next 6 hours, and we ended up with a daily candle that closed below this orange line. So over the next 6 hours, it looks like we're moving up. The 6 hours after that, we want to make sure that we don't fall back down and get a close below this orange line. So that's going to be the key thing to look out for over the next few hours for Bitcoin. Now, KuCoin has been holding this green support area, and this gave confidence for traders to come in. So it looks like we are getting approximately an 11% move to the upside, and this has already gone up pretty quickly and significantly. So this would be the ideal price target. Most likely we will go up here and then drop back down to this red resistance area, and we want to see if we get support here. If we do get support over here, then we would look to move up to this orange line. So the orange line will be $26. This downward sloping red line would be $24.34, and this red region ranges from $24 down to $23.45. Now for Shiba Inu, if we take a look at the 12-hour chart, what we see is we have this move up and then a flag forming, and this is called a bull flag because it's moving up and then the flag forms. So what follows a bull flag is a move to the upside, and now what we have is another bull flag forming, and you can actually predict where this bull flag will go by copying and pasting this line and placing it at the area where you break out, where if we do break out over here. And so that would give us a price target of about 117% move to the upside. Now, the key warning sign for Shiba Inu would be that we have these candles on the bottom. It would be ideal to see them on the top to show that buyers are pushing the price up, but at the same time you don't see people panicking and selling, so that is a good sign. Now at the same time we have this orange line that has acted as resistance over here and over here. So this move from where we are right now, this move would be about 69% to the upside. Also, the RSI shows that we are staying above 40, which is a good sign for bullish continuation, which means that the price will continue to move up. But if we start seeing some weakness, we can see this RSI start to go down. But for now, this is a good sign that we are still bullish until we see a sign that we're bearish. So even though we are below our triangle, our flag, we still have some bullish signs. So it is up to you if you want to wait this out or wait until we get above the top of this flag and then buy in, and you will lose a couple percent profit by entering over here and having lower risk.